This is how to transfer crypto from Bybit to your AirTM account. To do this successfully, you have to start from your AirTM platform. You can see this is my AirTM platform, and note this, that my current balance is $9.94. Because you want to add money, you tap add, this plus sign, you come down, you tap new payment, you come to this place. Because it's crypto you want to add from Bybit to AirTM, you tap crypto. Don't forget we are using P2P method for this transaction. You scroll down, you look for Bybit because you want to transfer money from Bybit to AirTM. You can see this is Bybit and you see P2P. You tap Bybit. If you look at it, this is my current balance on AirTM. This is the minimum amount you can move from Bybit to AirTM, and this is the maximum amount. For the purpose of this video, let's assume I'm transferring $5.05 from Bybit to AirTM. If you look at this is how much I will get on my AirTM in addition to the $9.94 that I have. If you are new to AirTM, you can use the link below the description of this video to sign up. If you are okay with this amount you get, I will tap continue. Don't forget, I'm using peer-to-pay. So what is the account of the payment method that you want to use? That is, they are asking for my Bybit account. When you get to this place, you are going to set up your Bybit ID. Let me show you. You come back to Bybit to first pick your Bybit ID. Everybody that has a Bybit exchange account has a Bybit ID. To retrieve your Bybit ID, you tap here, you tap here. You can see Bybit user ID. This is my Bybit user ID. For you to see how to do it, watch this video to know how to locate your Bybit user ID. So you copy this Bybit user ID and you go back to AirTM. So you come back to this place, you set up your Bybit ID. You tap add new configuration. You can see you type my Bybit ID, then you drop it here, or you can even use your Bybit email address. That is your Bybit ID. Continue. I've indicated the amount. This is the amount I want to send from Bybit. This is the amount I will get. So if I'm okay, I'll just submit. So what is happening now is that the AirTM is looking for a peer. Somebody is a peer on AirTM, but the person has a Bybit exchange account. So look at it. I've seen a match. The objective is that this person will credit my AirTM account only after I've transferred the money to him on my Bybit exchange. What I want to do now is to collect this person's Bybit ID and take it to Bybit exchange. Transfer $5.05 to the person on Bybit exchange. Immediately the person sees the money, the person will credit my account on AirTM. For me to transfer money to somebody that has Bybit account on Bybit exchange, I will come to this place. I will select asset to know where the money is. I have $5.07. I will tap withdraw because I want to withdraw the money. I will tap withdraw. I will tap withdraw crypto. I will select this because what I want to do is internal transfer, not on chain, because I want to transfer from my Bybit account to another person's Bybit account. The person I copy his email, so I will tap this one. You can see this is email address. I will enter here and paste his email address here and come to this place and type 5.5. If I'm okay, so look at the amount I'm transferring. So I will tap withdraw. So what you do here is to confirm the transaction. Then you use your authentication. You can see I've submitted the application, it has gone. Since it has gone, I will quickly go back to AirTM. You can type the reference number, or you tap start, done, and say continue. You will shift this one to this place. Shift this like this because I've sent the money. So I will wait for the peer to confirm that he has received the money. Immediately he received the money, I will see the money in my AirTM account. You can see that the money has been added. My balance has reduced on Bybit. The peer has released the money to my account. It is as simple as that. This is how you transfer crypto from your Bybit to your AirTM account.